Hello everybody, it is Indy Meets Disney and we are at Everglazed Donuts again today.
We are here at Disney Springs and we're excited to try a couple of new donuts.
Yeah, let's go in and try them out. Alright, so our first donut here is a tribute to the 50th anniversary here at Disney. So this is just a traditional glazed donut, topped with some vanilla icing and a ton of celebratory iridescent sprinkles. It's got that cute little 50 sweet topper on there. It's an edible little disc, and we're ready to dive in and try this out.
We also decided to grab a butterscotch caramel corn donut. It is basically a glazed donut. It's topped with caramel icing, butterscotch chips, and caramel corn. Both these donuts do run $5.50 and they look amazing.
All right, so I'm going to dive into this Nifty 50 donut and see how it tastes.
It is a beautiful donut. I'm loving the iridescent sprinkles. I'm going to steal it out of your hand.
So it's got pretty good flavor to it. It's pretty much a standard donut. Got that vanilla cream on there. The sprinkles don't give it really much different flavor. They're pretty just basic sprinkles on there. Pretty plain donut. It's definitely a pretty donut in celebration of the 50th anniversary.
Yep.
Pretty iridescent color on there. But overall, it's just kind of just a plain, traditional glazed donut with some vanilla glaze on there.
Yeah, and I would say most people are going to get this because it's pretty. Most people are going to get this because it's going to make a really nice Instagram picture. Yeah. They're not going to get it because it tastes amazing and get it again and again and again. But it is, Everglazed has really yummy, just basic glazed donuts, so it is really great. But there are other options you can get as well. So.
Yeah, there's nothing special about it, but it is a fantastic donut. It is really good. If you're looking for a good glazed vanilla donut, this is a great donut.
Absolutely. On to the next one. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and dig into this butterscotch caramel corn donut. Larger than life up in here, and it looks delicious.
It's amazing. Looks like it's going to be pretty sweet though, so we'll see how it tastes.
You're going to have to be a butterscotch and a caramel lover in order to appreciate this donut. I am both. Very sweet.
Very good though. I'm really enjoying this. Reminds me of those really long donuts that have the maple glaze on top.
Oh yeah.
Kind of getting that flavor from it. Got great flavor. It is really sweet, but it's a great donut. It's very enjoyable though.
I like the texture of it. I like all those butterscotch chips on it. I did take off a piece of caramel corn with the frosting on top, so I'm going to try that and make sure it's not too soggy or anything. Not bad.
Yeah, still pretty crisp. It's a little soft, but you expect that from the moisture of the donut, but overall still pretty crisp. Got great flavor on the corn as well.
This is a donut that I would get again.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Yeah, definitely worth the money for a donut there. Highly recommend this donut. So if you're at Everglazed, you see this donut, this is definitely one I would recommend picking up and trying next time you're there.
I agree.
All right, so that's going to wrap it up for our donuts that we experienced here at Everglazed Donuts. So what did you think for these two new ones that we tried today?
Yeah, I really enjoyed both of them, but definitely the star for me was that caramel corn butterscotch donut. I would have that again every time I come. I don't know if it's one they'll have always, but if you're here and you see it, you need to grab it for sure.
Yeah, I agree 100%. That caramel butterscotch donut was awesome. Highly recommend that. Definitely one you should pick up when you're here. The 50th one was okay.
It's pretty.
It's definitely a good donut, just nothing special about it. But definitely that caramel one was the winner for today.
Yeah, and I would say that these donuts are so big. All of the Everglazed ones are so big, so we were able to enjoy part of them now, and we'll be able to take them for a midnight snack later or breakfast in the morning, so it makes it great. Yeah, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you've not already, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube family. And until next time, we will
see you real soon. Bye, guys.
Bye.